Okay, I'm just about ready to give Jake his bath. So let's see how excited he gets and how quick he comes running or crawling when he hears the water. I think I hear him. I think I may hear him. I'm not sure. Here he comes. Hey! Well, who's that? Who is that? Hi! Are you excited? Yeah? Yeah? Boo-boo! Wow! Jacob! Jake! Hi there! Are you ready? Yeah? Oh, you got that foot up and ready? Are you ready to take your bath? Boo-boo! He says, hurry up, Mommy. Okay. Bath time! Yay! Bye! Bye! Time for your bath.